In this video, we're going to work on a fraction addition word problem. So don't get intimidated or scared of a word problem. We're going to break down the words and it'll be easy for you to understand how to do this with other word problems. So if we have a problem like this that says Sienna is baking cupcakes for a party, she uses 1/7 of a cup of sugar for one batch of cupcakes. 3/7 of a cup of sugar for the second batch of cupcakes, and finally she uses 2/7 of a cup of sugar for the third batch of cupcakes. How many cups of sugar did Sienna use in total? So what you need to do is rewrite the words into an addition sentence. How do we know this is an addition sentence? Well, because we need to find out the total cups. So if she puts in sugar, some sugar in one batch and another batch and then a third batch, and we need to find the total, that means we need to add them all up. So let's do that. So 1/7 plus 3/7 plus 2/7. And we just need to find the answer. And how do we do that? Well, notice that the denominators are the same. Okay, they're all 7 here. So when that happens, that means we add the numerators and keep the denominators the same. So you just add these numbers just like the regular numbers and then keep the denominator the same. So we would have 3 plus 2 plus 1, and you could use quick mental math to figure that out, that it's 6. So 6 over 7, so 6/7. So Sienna used a total of 6/7 cups of sugar to bake cupcakes. And that's the answer. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. There's links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this. And you can also in the description find links to my ebook where you could read this exact lesson in the ebook and watch the video at the exact same time. And let me know if you like this video and subscribe and like, and thank you so much for listening.